Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your XIAOMI Redmi 7A, for the first let's open the notification bar and enter the Bluetooth. Right now you have to turn on Bluetooth on the second device. Click on the rarely used devices. And right now we have to wait until our Redmi find the Huawei smartphone. Let's refresh. As you can see on the Redmi, we have a problem and it doesn't say my smartphone, right? So right here in the Huawei, I can see the Redmi 7A, it is right here. And we are probably going to connect from this Huawei smartphone. Let's enter one more time. And it still cannot find it, right? So, okay, here it is. Right now it is. Okay, so just tap on this device that you want to connect. In my case, I was looking for the Huawei P30 Pro, and right now we have to accept the pair on both devices. And right now, as you can see, they are in the paired devices. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.